This is probably the one y'all been waiting for, but we are at Arches for today and tomorrow. You guys, I had a catastrophic tripod failure. We are up in the La Sal's. We've gone about, we've been driving out of Moab. It's about like 10 miles outside of Moab or something, maybe. There are 6 different species of rattlesnake in this area. And supposedly this is an area for sidewinders, so we're gonna be watching the ground real closely.
I'm Parker Brewer, and I travel the roads less taken. Follow along as I go way off the beaten path.
Good morning, y'all. This is probably the one y'all been waiting for, but we are at Arches for today and tomorrow, and we're gonna take a quick little field trip to the La Sal's as well. But we are doing some sunrise photos at Courthouse Towers, and then who knows where we're gonna head. Gonna have to check the itinerary. We'll see. But yeah, y'all stay tuned because this one is gonna be possibly even more breathtaking than the last one. I hope. I had a catastrophic tripod failure. Oh man, but my camera didn't die, so that's good. I was a little worried about that as that happened, but yeah. Oh man, but my mic is broken. Well, the mic mount is broken, so the audio is going to be kind of interesting the rest of these couple vlogs, but we're going to make it work. So yeah, this is Courthouse Towers where we've been hanging out. I'll put up some photos from that shot, from this shoot. We're going to go check out Parade of Elephants and the Double Arch now, and get some more morning light shots before everything kind of goes away and it gets too dark, or too bright, too harsh lighting. So yeah, anyway, on to the next stop. Alright y'all, so that is the Double Arch, and those are the Parade of Elephants behind me. Yeah, so the light's starting to get a little harsh, so we're going to start moving towards the La Sal's, stopping downtown for a real quick little photo adventure, just to see what we can find at the photo shop. I need a new tripod, so I got to figure that out, and then after that we are going to head up into the La Sal's, get the drone up and check out the fall colors with the lake, and we're hoping that there's some snow-capped peaks, but we can't really tell from a distance, so fingers crossed. We'll see what happens. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all, almost fell. We are up in the La Sal's. We've gone about, we've been driving out of Moab. It's about like 10 miles outside of Moab or something, maybe 15. And then you just get up into this mountain range and it changes. We're not in the desert anymore. Like, look around me. The aspens are starting to change. The fall colors are just spectacular. There is a snow-capped peak behind me, sorta, kinda. This is sweet. This is really cool. Warner Lake. We are at Warner Lake. We're gonna throw the drone back up here. I got a couple shots at the last stop, but we're gonna throw the drone back up here again. The wind doesn't bother us too much, and see what things look like, man, because this is a beautiful lake with Haystack Mountain in the back and all the aspens. This is gonna be great, y'all. Let me show you what we're seeing. Alright, y'all, so we are hoofing it because, well, we were supposed to go to Turret Arch, but someone forgot to look at the directions, and we drove way past it. So we're going to kind of call an audible here. We're going to go check out Dune Arch and see if we can't get some good light out here in the desert anyway, even though we're missing out on Turret Arch. We might try to shoot Turret Arch in the morning because I think that's a sunrise shot as well. Might do sunrise there. We'll see. Gotta see what's going on, but I'll keep you posted, y'all. We're gonna check out this one. Supposedly there are sidewinders here. There are 6 different species of rattlesnake in this area, and supposedly this is an area for sidewinders, so we're gonna be watching the ground real closely. But we're about to walk through some slot canyons, so I'm gonna show you all that right now. Yeah, so that was...
Oh wow, okay.
You got something good?
Yeah, like, okay, at 180.
Bruce World's working on something over here. Alright, so we tried at Dune Arch, and it's in a canyon, so there's not really any sunset. So we kind of posted up on the side of the prairie over there in the desert, and got an awesome shot, and then we were playing around with these fins. And I think that really might be one of the cool shots that comes out of this shoot, but the lesson is always check your map before you start going anywhere, because otherwise you'll end up somewhere you didn't mean to be. But it's a lesson learned, and we're gonna move forward. On to Balanced Rock again for more astrophotography, and we're hitting Delicate Arch tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned.